Intuitively designed with viewing in mind, the Chaise Bed is a viewing container not intended to replace ceremonial rental caskets, but to offer contemporary services to families trending towards direct cremation. The Chaise Bed Viewer is used in conjunction with a cost-effective replacement insert for viewing prior to cremation. Here's how it works. Release both foot and door latches and carefully lower the door. Slide the replaceable insert into the Chaise bed. Close the end door and secure the latches. Insert the edge of the head end blanket into the channel along with the wall of the Chaise bed, and then lie the blanket flat inside the insert. Insert the foot end and side blanket panels into the channel along the wall of the Chaise bed. Position the pillow at the head end. Leave the foot end and side blankets draped outside the container. Cover the body with blankets, starting with the foot end blanket, followed by the backside blanket and the front blanket. The blankets can be folded to view more or less of the body. Change the way you look at cremation services with the Chaise Bed Alternative Container Viewer by Starmark.